Regardless of your size, there is a seat position that is just right for you in your Audi, and the memory seat function assures you it will always be just where you want it. The position of the power seats and mirrors on your Audi can be saved in memory, allowing easy return to your preset position. With the vehicle parked, adjust the seat to the desired position. Ensure that the memory system is on. If the light is illuminated, the system is off. Now press the Set button. A red light will illuminate, indicating the system is ready to record a memory position. Now select your desired memory position switch, either 1 or 2. Press and hold until you hear a beep. This will indicate that your memory position has been set. To return your seat to your preset position after it has been changed, with the vehicle parked, simply open the door and press your memory position switch. The seat will automatically return to your preferred position. As a safety feature, if you are in the driver's seat with the door closed, you'll have to press and hold your memory position switch until the seat moves to its preset position. The memory seat function on your Audi ensures you'll drive in the perfect position for comfort and control every time.